दोस्तों, मैं आज आपको क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजिंग का कुछ जॉब बताने वाला हूँ। लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वैकेंसी। इमीडिएट हायरिंग सेल्स ट्रेनिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर, सेल्स ट्रेनर एंड इंडस्ट्रियल हाइजीन। Interested candidate with minimum 5 years or relevant experience. 5 years relevant experience holding an internationally recognized qualification, training certificate, diploma in HSE background can apply. Who can join immediately? Here is the email address to apply for this trainer and industrial hygienist vacancy. Receptionist cum office coordinator. Microsoft proficiency is must. Internet savvy, letter writing, email drafting, Outlook, Excel, Illustrator and Photoshop. Fluent in English with the communication skills and preferably Qatar RP holder. Send us your updated profile to this email address. Vacancy for accounts and admin assistant, male only. Applicant must have visa transferable with the NOC, company master system. Here is the email address to apply for this vacancy. Then urgent requirement: MAP supervisor, trailer driver and office assistant with RP. Transfer contact 6005462. Here is the email address to apply for this vacancy. Next, looking to hire a storekeeper with minimum 5 years experience in Qatar, ready to join immediately. If anyone interested for storekeeper, you can apply through this email address. Required safety officer for Qatar gas project with NEBOSH qualified or other safety certification, accredited in Qatar. ईमेल एड्रेस यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, फ़ोन नंबर भी दिया हुआ है यदि आप इंटरेस्टेड हो सेफ्टी ऑफिसर के लिए। तो यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट इंजीनियर 24 इयर्स एक्सपीरियंस, कमीशनिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन O&M अवेलेबल नाउ इन कतर, NOC readily transferable, can join immediately, valid driver license, man auto contact and email address is given here. Software engineer, Indian female, BTech in computer science, 2+ years experience, Python Flutter developer. So interested candidate can apply through this email address. Manager business development, international sourcing, Indian engineer with overall 15 years of experience, 7 years in Qatar in oil and gas construction, sound understanding in organizational development with blend of the experience in manufacturing, sourcing, logistic and international sales, business strategic with the good communication skill, adaptable. So interested candidate, either they can contact to this number or you can send CV through this email address. HSE engineer with 9 years experience in major civil and MEP diploma, NEBOSH, IGC, NEBOSH, PSM, TUV, lead auditor. Bachelor of Engineering, graduate membership in IOSH, membership in NEBOSH, alumni and IIRSM, have Qatar driving license with own car and transferable NOC available. Email address is given here to apply for this vacancy. Next, finance manager, accounts manager, chief accountant, fully qualified in ACCA, CIMA, degree in accounting with 18 years of experience in Qatar, accounting, financial management, auditing, reporting, budgeting, AP, AR, GL, proficient in IFRS, tax, ERP including SAP, Oracle and Dynamic SAG, looking for the suitable position immediately. Contact to this email address. Estimator cum quantity surveyor, having 13 years Gulf experience, 10 years Qatar and 3 years Saudi Arabia, civil and fit out work, pre and post tender works, knowledge in the quantity surveying, estimation, procurement, subcontractor works. I have QID with NOC, Qatar, valid driving license. Email ID is given here. Next, business development manager with 20 years experience in FM service, industrial construction, building material, trading and contacting project sales tenders. Here is the email address to apply for this vacancy. Accounting and auditing profession. ACCA UK accounting and auditing including KPMG Sri Lanka, expertise in general accounting, financial reporting, auditing, accounts and payable, receivable, banking, payroll, taxation, costing, budgeting, strong knowledge in the accounting and standards, client relations, proficiency in SAP, Oracle, QB, MS Office, available to join immediately with transferable visa, NOC, contact number is itna, and here is the email address. Grade a senior mechanical engineer, MEP, manager with 18 years of experience in consultancy and the contracting fields, master degree and expert in HVAC, HVAC, FM, plumbing, drainage system. So here is the email address to apply for this vacancy. नेक्स्ट वॉक इन इंटरव्यू 26 अक्टूबर को है, 27 अक्टूबर को है, टाइमिंग 11 बजे से 3 बजे तक है। नजमा स्टेशन दोहा कतर, पोजीशन है क्लीनर, प्लम्बर, हैवी ड्राइवर, सैलरी भी दिया हुआ है 2400, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, जनरेटर, इलेक्ट्रीशियन, फ़ोन नंबर दिया हुआ, ईमेल एड्रेस दिया हुआ अप्लाई करने के लिए। सिचुएशन वैकेंट, अर्जेंटली हायरिंग टाइल सैनिटरी वेयर कंपनी लुकिंग फॉर अ सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव, प्रेफरेंस will be given to the Indian Sri Lanka candidates, should be available in the Qatar, well experienced in tiles and sanitary ware industry, especially in project. So if you are interested, you can apply through this email address. Next, looking to hire a PLC engineer with minimum 3 years experience in Qatar, PLC technical certification, ready to join immediately. Send CV on this email address. Looking to hire a camp boss with a minimum of 5 years experience in Qatar, ready to join immediately. Interested candidate can apply through this email address. Next vacancy, urgently required for Ras Lafan project work, tower crane operator, EOT crane operator, man lift operator, age 25 years, 5 years experience, knowledge in English is mandatory. CV is, you can send CV on this email address. Next vacancy, senior document controller, 15 years experience in GCC construction sector, have outstanding skill in MS Office, Econex, BIM, Beam 360, SharePoint, other EDMS. Interested candidate can apply through this email address. HVAC MEP engineer, here is the email address to apply for this vacancy. Safety supervisor, here is email address to apply for this vacancy. Over 4 years of experience as a supply chain manager for a multinational technology corporation, licensed, you can apply through this email address. HR recruitment and admin specialist, licensed, over 3 years of experience in full cycle sourcing, onboarding, employee relations, apply through this email address. Client representative, interested candidate can apply through this email address. Looking for accountant job, having 8 years of experience in Qatar as accountant. यदि आपके पास 8 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं अकाउंटेंट जॉब के लिए. सीनियर प्लानिंग इंजीनियर, अप्लाई करने के लिए देखिए ईमेल एड्रेस यहाँ दिया हुआ है. लुकिंग फॉर सेल्स एडमिन वर्क, ईमेल एड्रेस इज गिवन हियर. सीनियर प्लानिंग इंजीनियर, 12 साल का आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए और वीज़ा ट्रांसफरेबल होना चाहिए. आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं थ्रू दिस ईमेल एड्रेस. सीनियर क्वांटिटी सर्वेयर एस्टिमेटर इन BSc ऑनर्स इन क्वांटिटी सर्वेइंग एंड हैविंग मोर देन 17 years एक्सपीरियंस इन कतर. इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट कैन अप्लाई थ्रू दिस ईमेल एड्रेस. नेक्स्ट हेलो दोस्तों, नेक्स्ट वैकेंसी है हुंडई इंजीनियरिंग एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन. हुंडई इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी कुवैत, 2 years कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पीरियड. CV सिलेक्शन ऑनलाइन अप्लाई. ट्रेड यहाँ दिया हुआ है सुपरवाइजर, सिविल इंजीनियर, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, ऑल फॉरमैन, कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर, अकाउंटेंट, कैशियर, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, ऑफिस बॉय, स्टोर कीपर, ऑल ऑपरेटर, हैवी ड्राइवर, लाइट ड्राइवर, डक्टमैन, insulator. ECR, ECNR can both apply. Free food, free accommodation, free transportation. So interested candidate can apply through this vacancy. यहाँ पे आप कॉल करके आप इसके बारे में डिटेल पता कर सकते हो. ये देखिए फ़ोन नंबर दिया होगा. नेक्स्ट अर्जेंट रिक्वायरमेंट ऑयल एंड गैस प्रोजेक्ट. कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजर, SHES मैनेजर, लीड प्लानिंग इंजीनियर, PTW कोऑर्डिनेटर, लिफ्टिंग सुपरवाइजर, सेस कोऑर्डिनेटर, SHES सुपरवाइजर, ऑफिसर सुपरवाइजर, सिविल सुपरवाइजर, सिविल इंजीनियर, साइट इंजीनियर, क्वालिटी इंश्योरेंस, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इंजीनियर, ELV इंजीनियर, फोरमैन, लेट सर्वेयर, क्वालिटी इंश्योरेंस, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इंस्पेक्टर, मैकेनिकल प्लम्बिंग इंजीनियर, जूनियर सिविल इंजीनियर, बिल्डिंग एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट, फिट आउट मैनेजर फिनिशिंग, फिट आउट इंजीनियर फिनिशिंग, फिट आउट क्वालिटी इंश्योरेंस, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल फिनिशिंग, फिट आउट फोरमैन फिनिशिंग, सीनियर क्वांटिटी सर्वेयर, ड्राइवर. सो पोजीशन एंड कोड इज मस्ट. मैन कंटेंट, सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन, अवेलेबल वीजा status. So here is the email address to apply for this vacancy. So next vacancy, heavy equipment mechanic and electrician. Heavy equipment mechanic certification is a heavy equipment mechanic, proven work experience as a diesel or heavy equipment mechanic, understanding of computer testing technologies, ability to lift heavy machinery, extensive knowledge of diesel engines and construction equipment, good communication skill. Heavy equipment electrician. For this vacancy you can apply through this email address. Next we are hiring finance executive. Desired skill, BCom or equivalent with CA certification, minimum 5 years experience in relevant field, good experience with financial reporting, financial analysis. Interested candidate can apply through this email address for this vacancy, finance executive. If you are interested for finance executive or you have the experience related to this field, you can apply through this email address. Next we are hiring lead quality control engineer, bachelor degree in mechanical engineer or equivalent. Interested candidate can apply through this email address. Next, crawler crane operator. Requirement mobile crane operator, driving license, QG approved, LTR 1100 crane, third party certificate for the experience in LTR 1100 crane operator. So if you are interested you can apply through this email address or you can contact to this given number. Next, finance executive. So here is the email address to apply for this.